By the 3rd of May 2021, Precipio had run up a huge amount of gain, rising from $1.83 to $4.96 in just one session. And the subsequent day, which was the 4th of May, it continued that extension, and after that it retraced all the way down to 3.80, and then in the last session, which was the session of the 10th of May 2021, it extended again to $4.44. So we'll come back to more of those. Let's just see what's going on here with Precipio. The Q1 2021 earnings expected on the 13th of this month. That is probably Thursday, the 13th of May. So the estimates from one analyst is a negative $0.1, an increase of 87.18% for the same period a year ago. Revenue estimate is $3.11 million, a $1.9 million increase from the same period a year ago. So the earnings outcomes earnings expectations are positive. Market cap of $80.5 million, $18.133 million outstanding. So the news is that Precipio launched a new HemeScreen panel for blood cancer test. So it went on to say that Precipio said on Monday, the 10th of May 2021, that it has launched a new HemeScreen panel to test for acute myeloid leukemia, a type of blood cancer that can yield results about 4 hours later. The company said it expects the panel to increase revenue to its oncology physician office laboratories by 10% and to similarly raise its revenue from existing and future oncology physician office laboratories and other laboratory customers who incorporate this panel into their operations. Okay, so the stock jumped 36% in afternoon trading. So we don't exactly know. Yes, that was the session of that 10th of May. So moving down, we can see the unbalanced volume indicator is very much bullish. The slope is positive, and the price rate of change is also bullish. Slope is positive as well. MACD histogram is above 0 and rising. That's it. But the 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is waning. Momentum is also increasing slightly. MACD is significantly above the signal line because obviously the stock itself is very much bullish, trading at a premium to all of its trend lines, all of them. I mean, name it. It's trading at a premium to them. So it appears to be in a strong bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average is upward sloping, and the MACD histogram is above 0 and rising. It's also outperforming the S&P 500. Momentum for Precipio as measured by 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is waning. This means that investors are less aggressive in their recent purchases and may even be taking profits in positions bought at lower prices. Yes, indeed, this is over 14 sessions. Yes, they are not as positive, as bullish as they were previously. So we can see that also that the volume for that session was heavier than usual, trading at 8.624 million shares versus an average of 4.615 million shares per day during the last 12 months. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. Okay, so there's a mix of things here. The momentum is not as strong as it was before, yet more buyers are presently there than sellers. So all in all, we can see that the volume is very high. There's a good chance that we might see a sideways movement or a retracement. So that is what is likely in this coming session. We actually saw that it's closed at $15, up at 15%. It was actually higher than that during that session. It was probably double that, I believe. Yes, we just read it, 36%. So that's more than double 15%. So sometimes when you have this sort of high volume, you can see that it's more than 10 times greater than its regular volume. regular average, so there's a good chance the stock might either consolidate in the coming sessions, or they might begin to take money off the table. So moving on, we can see that easily caution is needed here. The expectations are positive concerning Precipio, but if you want to get involved, get involved because of the long term. Don't get involved right now because you have seen extensions coming out left, right, and center. Over the last 2 weeks, they have come up with 2 positive outcomes, and in the coming session as well, they expect their earnings outcomes may also be positive. So, if you really want to get involved with it, just do it because of the fundamentals, and be willing to stay there for the long term. Do your research, be confident about it, and buy it and stick with it. But left to me, if you want to buy it, I would say just hold on to see if it's going to consolidate a little bit. Having run up a huge extension of 15%, personally, is not the best time to jump in. But by all means, just decide whether you're going to jump in right away or not. So Precipio, absolutely wonderful, but the opportunity, the best opportunity for anyone to get involved was actually at the 30th of April. So the fact also remains that we don't even know whether this opportunity will continue to present itself. So since that 3rd of May, that opportunity has since gone away. So it's only 1 week. So let's see how things go. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you again.